What's up, everybody? Average Model Guy here, bringing you part one of our F-18 Super Hornet build. Now, you remember from the unboxing, this is one we're going to be doing, but we're not going to be doing it up as the Top Gun model kit. I'm going to be doing a little bit different. If you want to see exactly which one I'm doing, I'll leave a little link. You can go back and check the unboxing video. I show what paint scheme we're going to use in that. So make sure you check it out if you haven't. Yeah, we got 161 parts we're going to be putting together, and we're going to be starting with step one. Probably going to get do steps 1 and 2, maybe 3, 4, and 5. It just depends here. We got a lot of work to do, a lot of painting to do, so we'll see how well this works out. I'm going to go ahead and get the parts snipped, and we'll be back with what we got to build. All right, here's our parts. This is what we're going to get put together, and get some paint on the cockpit, get it detailed out. So when I come back, we're going to throw it in the plane and get it masked off. At least I think so. I think that's the way the directions are going with it. But yeah, I'll get everything assembled and I'll come back and show you if I found anything that was quirky or anything like that. All right, cockpit was pretty easy. It was just basically 4 pieces. You had the center piece, this side, and then the ejection handle. They all went in really simple. I mean, they lined up pretty decent in the back. So yeah, just pretty happy with how well that turned out. All right, I'm gonna keep moving on here. All right, we got our cockpit complete. Let me see if I can get some better light on this for you guys. Here we go. That's a little better. See, got everything painted up, decals on. Yep, here we go. There's the cockpit, all assembled and painted and ready. So I am going to move on to our next step, which I think is just gluing a couple pieces on the fuselage. I'll get that done and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Yeah, the last couple steps in this thing, we're gonna go ahead and install the cockpit on the lower part of the fuselage. As you can see, I got it in there. Not quite dry yet, so I'm not gonna pick it up and move it around a whole lot. And then I had to install these 2 little pieces here inside there. That was it for that step. So I think we're gonna call this episode good for part 1. We'll come back. We've got some more work to do, obviously, but yeah, she's getting there. Oh yeah, and I had to put this top piece on. I'm not too happy with the seam line right now, but might have to take care of that. Kind of hoping it'll settle down a little bit. If not, that's what they make putty and sanding for, so we'll make her work. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Nothing really major as far as anything tedious. So, yep, I can zoom in here on the cockpit one last time. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give me a like. If you want to continue watching this build series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so when I post the next part 2, you'll get notification when it shows up. Thanks again for watching.